Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Zach G. Zach, this is the console that you sent in for DVD drive flashing service. So this is a Trinity console, which meant that it had a 0401 Light-On series drive in it, which is one that could actually be unlocked using what's called the Kamikaze method. So when we boot the console, it'll boot totally normally directly into Retail Dash, no delay in the boot because it's not RGH'd. The only thing that we have done here is we have modified the DVD drive so that it's able to play backup, non-original copies of games. So as it starts up here, it looks totally normal. That's because it absolutely is. And when I hit through here to go to the dash, it'll look like normal on the dashboard. All right. So as a point of proof here, we've got a copy of Dead Island, right? And inside here, I have my original retail copy, just to prove that I own it. And then I also have this very scratched up, like you can see how bad it is, right? Very scratched up, burned copy, backup copy, right? So we're going to put this in, and the console will play it just as if it was an original disc. I accidentally tapped the button twice there. Alright, so that goes into the console, and what will come up and autoplay, just as if the original disc was put in, is the Dead Island game there. So the intro blacks out for about 5 seconds here before it starts back up. There you go. Deep Silver the company, and then it's going to start spinning up the intro here. So you can see that it is playing that game off of the disc with no issues here, and I can let it get to the menu and start playing the intro video there. So when I eject the console, we'll eject it here real quick, and you'll see that definitely was the disc in the tray. So console is successfully flashed, not RGH'd. So we'll go ahead and get this thing packed up and headed back out your way. Actually, it looks like mail's probably already run today, so it'll head out your way tomorrow. Thanks.